Xiamen Topfence Co. Limited has strategically expanded globally, specializing in solar PV ground stations, distributed systems, and microgrid projects. With a top-tier engineering team, we earned 12 utility patents, international certifications, all, TÜV, CHE, MCS, and national high-tech enterprise honors. Revolutionizing production with advanced automated welding robots and a fully automated assembly line. Our factory ensures premium product quality and enhanced service efficiency for our valued customers. Experience excellence, tailored just for you. High-tech production lines, advanced production equipment, dedicated employees, and a clean and orderly working environment are key symbols of our company's modern development, enhancing production efficiency and product quality. The details and structure of the product are clearly visible, designed to be both sturdy and practical, suitable for the installation and support of photovoltaic systems. Modern logistics center diverse deliveries. We continue our journey, providing secure, reliable, and efficient one-stop solar solutions worldwide. Xiamen Topfence is dedicated to pioneering the next generation's living environment with commitment and innovation.